This is FIFINE's brand new K669C XLR microphone, and it may be the best bargain in microphones. It just released in March 2023 with options available for either condenser or dynamic variants. As this is designated the K669C, this is a condenser variant. Priced around $36.99, the K669C is one of the most affordable XLR mics on Amazon. So let's take a look at what's included in the box, as well as some of the features of this microphone. In the box, we of course have the K669C microphone, a black rubber-footed tripod stand, user guide manual, and a pivot mount. No XLR cable is included, so I went with this $8 Amazon Basics cable. It's a bit of a bummer that an XLR cable isn't included, but for those of you that already have a preferred high-quality cable, this might not be an issue. Build quality is impressive, as the outer case is all matte black metal construction, with the only exception being the pivot mount, which is made of plastic. However, the pivot mount is built with 3/8 inch and 5/8 inch threads, providing versatility in mounting to either a tripod stand or boom arms. As for the included tripod, it is pretty basic, but still durable with metal legs and rubber feet for added stability and vibration absorption. I definitely prefer the AmpliGame series mic stands to the K669s, and if you do too, you're in luck. You can actually swap out the included stand for one of the AmpliGame stands if you already have one on hand. However, since this mic is smaller in size than the AmpliGame series mic, it does look a bit awkward on such a wide base stand. You can also ditch the stand altogether and mount the K669C to a boom arm as long as it's compatible with either a 3/8 inch or 5/8 inch threading. Now, as this is an XLR microphone, it does require 48-volt phantom power to operate, so you'll need to either have an audio interface or a mixer to power it. I actually have the AmpliGame SC3 audio mixer that FIFINE also sent out for me to test out. I'll include a link up above if you're interested in that review. Powering up the mic is incredibly straightforward. Simply plug in the female end of the XLR cable to the mic and the male end to the XLR port. Then make sure the 48-volt phantom power button is turned on. As you can see, now the mixer is picking up audio. From there, adding the K669 in, say, OBS is the same as with the USB mic. Once in OBS, you can click Add Source, then Audio Input Capture in the drop-down menu, then Create New, and select Microphone, parentheses, SC3, parentheses, in the device drop-down menu. In regards to sound quality, the K669C is a condenser microphone with a cardioid polar pattern, meaning audio is recorded from the front, making this microphone perfect for gamers and streamers, as well as musicians by picking up more of your voice and less background noise. Let me show you how it performs while I'm gaming with keyboard and mouse. Alright, so here we are in Borderlands 3. I want my Becca. There's my Becca. I'm kind of hitting the space bar and stuff kind of extra hard, see if it gets picked up. Alright, that's that test. Now let's switch to audio from the speakers. Good enough. Wait, I want to come back from this. I don't want to let him beat me. I'm coming for you. That's what I said. Anyway, there you go. That's the test. That's science. After listening to the playback, the K669C does an awesome job filtering out background audio from the keyboard and mouse, and even the speakers when I was playing audio through them instead of the headset. Meanwhile, my voice was distinct, it was clear, and volume remained consistent. This is thanks to its 60mm capsule diaphragm that delivers a response frequency of 30 Hz to 20 kHz for balanced mids, lows, and high vocals. And again, this is a $37 microphone. For sound quality, I'd be happy to continue using this mic in future videos for my other gaming channel. The only downside for me is no RGB. And yeah, that's just my opinion. So what are my final thoughts on the K669C? For $36.99, you get a properly well-built microphone, a stand that provides stability as well as vibration absorption to maintain sound purity, and you get crisp, clear audio that filters out the vast majority of unwanted background noise. Oh, and the pivot mount adapter won't leave you hanging for alternative stands or boom arms to fit your specific sound recording needs. So that's the FIFINE K669C XLR microphone. If you enjoyed the video and found it informative, please give it a like and leave a comment. Also, subscribe to the channel for more tech reviews and content on my ever-evolving gaming setup. Thanks for watching.